Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. I'm very excited about this box just because I feel like I need a little present right now, and that's what Boxycharm is. So let's dive straight in. This is the unit card for this month. It says everyone will be under your spell. I think that looks very fun for Halloween, spooky season. It's giving me like Ouija board vibes. Really excited. This is exactly what I need in my life right now. So let's dive straight into the box. It's a different layout. It's in portrait mode. What is the words? It's vertical, not horizontal. So you can see the design here, and the words are this way. Small details. Small details. I noticed them right away because I've been doing Boxycharm for so long. Okay, so the first item I'm very excited to see. Oh my goodness, this is a Natasha Denona product in here. So this is valued at $42 and it's their Cupid Cheek Duo. Stop. You guys, I almost bought this. No, it wasn't this exactly. I almost bought a duo from her not too long ago off of the Sephora website, and I talked myself out of it because I'm really trying not to spend money right now, but I think it was like around my birthday, and I was like, should I get something for my birthday? I didn't. But this is really beautiful. Love these colors for me. So this is a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. This duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips. It's all you need for on-the-go glow. Well, let's swap. Oh, it feels really nice. One time I got a Natasha Denona cheek palette in a Boxycharm, and it was like pretty dried out. So I was like a little bit worried that maybe that would be the case here. So this is the blush right here, and this is the highlight. Absolutely stunning, perfect for my skin tone. That blush can definitely be built up a little bit more. I did just kind of dip my finger in once and do a quick swipe, but I think that's really beautiful. And the highlight is an interesting shade. Like, it's definitely like a champagne, but it's got a touch of almost like a blush tone to it. Really beautiful. Even if you hated everything else in the box, that one item makes it all worth it, I think, in my opinion anyways. Next up, I have a product from Wander Beauty. So this is their Double Date Eyeshadow Duo. This is valued at $26, and it says it's a perfectly curated duo. Oh, here's the colors here. So I have Smitten and Swoon. You can create a multitude of looks with effortless application. It says the cream color provides a wash of color to the lids, and the satin shimmer powder adds dimension. Oh, it's got a little built-in mirror. It says, look how cute and adorable. So Wander Beauty products, I've received so many of them in Boxycharms in the past, and I find all of their products are like very good for like travel. I think that's the whole kind of premise behind their brand, Wander Beauty, you know, products that are good to travel with. A lot of their products are like dual purpose or dual ended, things like that. So we've got a cream eyeshadow right there, and we've got a shimmer powder shadow right there, and there is a little teeny tiny mirror right there. So let's swatch these and see. I love a simple eye look when I'm traveling, especially. I just don't want to be spending my time in a bathroom doing my makeup when I'm away. That is so beautiful. So this is the cream shadow right here, and this is the shimmer. Look at the reflect on that shimmer. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful neutral color story too. You know, that's another thing when you're traveling. It's nice to pack more neutrals because then you don't have to worry about, okay, well, I'm bringing this outfit, so I need that eyeshadow palette. You know, something like that is perfect to just toss in your makeup bag, wear with any outfit that you've got planned, and it's going to give you that shine and dimension that just looks really special. Okay, next up we have a product from Symbiosis London, and this is their anti-pollution pore refining eye primer in cream. This is valued at $106, and this says it's a revolutionary eye primer that helps to provide a blank canvas for eye makeup by working to avoid a buildup around fine lines and wrinkles. Very interesting. I have tried a few products from Symbiosis London in the past that I've received in Boxycharms, and truth be told, I've not loved any of them. So I'm hoping this is going to be the product that changes my mind about the brand. So it comes out like this, and it just goes on like a cream. So this is going to be one of those products that I'm going to have to test out and let you guys know. I am 36 and I haven't had Botox in over a year. And so I smile and I get, can you guys see all these lines? Yep. I get some lines. I actually had a client saying to me the other day, she's like, it's hard for me to look at your like makeup recommendations or skincare recommendations because you're not aging the way that I am. She's older than me. And I was like, but I am. That's the thing. I am. You guys see me with the bright lights on and a full face of makeup, but the lines are there. I'm looking for the same things that everyone else is looking for. I'm looking for things that lock my makeup in, that don't show the fine lines, that smooth the skin, that help me to look younger. So I will test this out and let you guys know, because I do get some creasing sort of along that outer edge of my eye by the end of the day, especially after a long work day like today. I got here at 8 o'clock. I won't be done until 7. I have a lot of talking and laughing and silliness to do with clients between now and 7 o'clock tonight. So I'll let you guys know in a future speed reviews how that works out. $106 is a huge price tag. Regardless of how well it works, I cannot imagine recommending that you spend $106 on an eye primer, but we'll see. Maybe it'll knock my socks off. Next up, we have a product from St. Luxe, and this is their setting spray. This is valued at $25. And it says it's a lightweight microfine setting mist, helps your skin retain moisture and set your makeup with a glowy finish. Not only is this setting spray formulated to help you achieve flawless makeup, it can also be used on clean skin. So you can use this as a primer or a setting spray or both. Ingredient wise, it actually looks really good. It doesn't have like denatured alcohol in it. That's one thing I watch out for with setting sprays, because quite often they do have that ingredient and it just makes my skin feel so dry and tight as the day goes on. This is also a cruelty-free brand. So far, everything has been cruelty-free in the box. And St. Luxe, I haven't tried a lot of products from them, but I'm currently using a clear brow gel from them and I really like that. So this is the packaging right here. I already have setting spray. I'm already so dewy, like borderline, we need to powder. Let's at least see what the mister is like. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells really good. I couldn't resist. Oh, feels really nice too. The setting spray that I have currently, I don't love the smell of. I find it to be very strongly fragranced. This one has a very mild, almost coconut scent. Coconut, yeah, that's what I smell. Anyway, it smells nice, love that, and I'm actually getting low on the one that I'm currently using, so excited to have that. Next up, I have this product here. So this is from the brand Dew of the Gods, and this is their Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. It says, breakfast of champions in the tropics hits different. Think of this as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant and fruit extracts blended into a dewy, milky serum to tone and prime your skin for the next stage of your routine. Build the perfect base for your makeup to glide over or bask in the glass skin glow that lasts all day long. Okay, great. I don't need another primer. However, I feel like I'm working through some primers, so I think I might be okay to keep this one now. I will have to check the cruelty-free status on this brand because I don't see any indication on the packaging. I love when products like this come with an actual expiry date. So this is good till 2025. I love that. Rather than just like after 6 months or 12 months or whatever. Beautiful packaging. Love that tube. Really, really pretty. And this is a Canadian brand, I'm just finding out. It says distributed by Dew Beauty Inc. Canada. Okay, great. So it's a very high possibility that this is a cruelty-free product, but I will have it in the description box down below or on the screen after I have a chance to do a little bit of research. Just wanted to see like how dewy is it? Dew of the Gods. Okay, so it's like a really light pink color. Ooh, look at it go. So it's a little bit more wet than I was expecting. Oh, it has a very tropical scent, but like a light tropical scent, not too heavy of a fragrance. It does smell good. and it does like makes my skin look really nice. This feels like the type of primer that I like, which is just like a hydrating kind of lotion type of primer. That's exactly what I like. I find it makes my foundation go on the nicest and stay on the nicest. I don't like anything that's too silicone-y. I don't like anything that's too like sticky. This is just really beautiful, makes the skin look really juiced up and nice. So excited to try that out, as long as it's cruelty free. As I said, I'll have that in the description box down below. Now let's do some quick math and see where we're at. Overall value of this box is $231. That is pretty darn good. I've been saying in my last few Boxycharm videos, it's been like 149, 151. Like it's been very much like on the money in terms of what they promise for value of the box lately. I've been saying in the last few videos, it's been a long time since I got a box where I was like, ooh, that's a high value, you know? So it's nice to see that that's not gone completely. I was starting to think that unless you were doing Luxe or what's the other one, Premium, you're basically just getting the bottom of the barrel stuff. And I think that things like this Natasha Denona duo proves me wrong. I think we're gonna be okay. I think us base box ladies are gonna be just fine. It's nice to see a high-end item like that in the base box, not having to sign up for a specialty box in order to get those high ticket items. So I'm very happy with this box. I'm really excited to try everything out. And a nice array, you know, we've got a cheek duo, we've got a primer, we've got a setting spray, we've got a very interesting eyeshadow primer, we've got a little eyeshadow duo here. Very excited about all of the things in the box this month. I think this is a really good one. So I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. What did you get in your box? Did you get different stuff, same stuff? If you have base box, did you get the Natasha Denona cheek duo as well? Was that for everyone? I haven't been looking at spoilers lately. Usually I have a better idea of sort of what's available in the boxes. So I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.